100% pure and natural. Majestic Pure products are 100% pure and natural. This means they are free from toxins, additives, or any nasty chemicals. Completely unfiltered and undiluted for the best result. Nutritious hair care. Detoxify and give your hair the cleanse it needs after a rough day with Majestic Pure Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. It helps dispose of scalp buildups and works towards bringing back your natural shine. Tame that frizz. Getting your frizzy hair in control is a very tedious task, but this shampoo will help ease that process, all thanks to its moisturizing ingredients that keep your hair hydrated and smooth. Complete nourishment. If you need assistance in keeping dandruff at bay, strengthening your roots, and getting that pesky scalp out of your life for good, then this apple cider vinegar shampoo should be your go-to choice. Easy quick pump out bottle. Majestic Pure Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo comes inside an easy-to-pump bottle. A single press on top and your shampoo will squeeze out quickly and easily, giving you the exact amount you require with no spillage. Safety information. Intended for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If irritation occurs, stop use. However, if irritation persists, consult a physician. Ingredients. Distilled water, sodium lauryl sarcosinate, pyrus malis, apple, fruit extract, decyl glucoside, caprolol, capryl glucoside, sodium methyl cocoyl taurate, shea butter, vinegar, cocamidopropyl betaine, Argania spinosa kernel oil, sorbitan caprylate, disodium cocoamphodiacetate, panthenol, hydrolyzed nettle leaf extract, hydrogenated sweet almond oil, pianisic acid, palicoternium 10, palicoternium 73, peg 150 distearate, biotin. Directions. Rinse hair thoroughly, work into a rich lather. Leave in for 2 minutes to allow for deep penetration and full absorption, then rinse. Top reviews from the United States. I can't describe how much I love this shampoo. I had to go without this shampoo for a week and oh my god, it was awful. The very first day I got this shampoo back, it was like my hair had been rejuvenated, silky soft, looked amazing. I would rate it 10 stars if I could.